another update. I don't know if you can't really see what's behind me, but I got the Jimny on the trailer behind me. My way down to my property to drop, and pretty excited about it. We're gonna do some video in a little bit, but yeah, we made it there. Yeah, now just a lot of unloading and sorting. Wow, looks way better with the fence and everything cut down. Wow, totally better. I'm really actually liking this. All this grass has grown in, which looks 100% better. We got this fence up just as a sort of temporary deal until everything else happens. But basically just wanted a fence so that you weren't falling in the pool, or a little privacy from the backyard to the front yard. But yeah, look at this. It's so clean. I love it. I really am psyched about this. This whole thing is opened up like so big now. It's kind of wild when I walk over here and I see actually how much space there actually is. Driveway is going to come in here, down. Shop will be from the corner of that fence 40 feet out, 50 feet down towards me here. Really excited about all this. This is really going to be cool. Anyway, the Jimny, Suzuki Jimny that I imported from Japan is here. As you can see, really been waiting on this thing for a while. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to unload this thing and maybe go ride it in the woods. All right, so the Jimny's offloaded. Super fun already. I'm already having a blast riding this little thing around. I'm going to cut these fender flares and shorten them, have them shortened. This thing's probably going to get a paint job. Obviously, wheels and tires. It's so little. It's funny how little this thing is. I mean, you've seen Suzuki Samurais probably, so you already know. But yeah, these things are tiny. This is going to be a perfect little car for around the property. And then I can take this thing on the beach. I can go on little trails, whatever. I had a ton of work done to this thing before I got it. All new stuff, like new hoses, motor mounts, water hoses, radiator, new battery, airbox hose. I think we even put a blow-off valve on this thing, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, there's new motor mounts down there. I don't know if the coil's new or not. I can't remember. Yeah, motor mounts, upper and lower water hoses. Fun stuff. Intercooler mount, maybe, I think is new. extra cup holders there. Interior is not too bad. Maybe get a cover for the seat on this one. Little gear shifter knob in there. Nothing in the back. I did get this little carpet kit. Seats come out. I got some little floor mats. I got all new window rubbers that they are trim. I don't know what this. I guess this is just regular trim. But yeah, windows open. These are little tail light. These plastic? I didn't know they were plastic. I thought they were metal. I got these little, they're like taillight covers or something. Yeah, got to get a little fresh coat of paint on this thing. Got some flakiness up here, but I don't think that shouldn't be too big of a deal. Let's give this thing a little scuff and shoot black paint job. I think it'll be just good enough. Ugh. It's warm. Love it.